Hey guys, it's Star the Flippin' Hippo. Thank you for joining us on our YouTube channel at Flippin' Hippos. Today's Sunday, so I hope everybody is out there hitting up the yard sales and the thrift stores and finding good deals. So if you watched yesterday, I showed you our plushie haul that we found last weekend at the yard sales, and two of them were from Goodwill. And I said I'd be back today to show you our clothing haul. And I have some things that aren't clothing I want to show you too. But we'll start with the clothes. So we went out last Sunday to the 99-cent day at Goodwill, and we went to two. The second Goodwill, they have like a section up front with racks for their boutique items. The items they put up that newer tags, the better brands, the stuff they kind of charge up for. So when I went up there, pink was the 99-cent color this past weekend, and I saw all of this stuff new with tags that was tagged for the 99-cent sale. I just loaded our cart up. So let's just look at some of it. This is Chaps. It's purple like cardigan. New with tags. We have a vintage, I guess that's the brand name. Like I said, some of this I've never heard of it. Some of it's probably not that great of brands, but they all have their tags still attached for 99 cents. Like I told the kids, for 99 cents, if it's new with tags, short of Walmart brands, I want it all. So we got it all. This is a Carly Blake cardigan. It's green and button up long sleeve. We have an INC, International Concepts, like sheer blouse here. See-through. It's got its tags. This is, I don't even know what this is, y'all. Fashion Bug. There we go. Fashion Bug. It's just like a little top. Still has its tags. Self-Esteem. Cute top. It's like a 70s boho vibe going on here. Pink and orange. Ties in the back. Got its tag. Apartment 9. It's just like a ribbed green top with some bling on the front there. Fashion Bug. Again, this one is a long or 3/4 sleeve. Ribbed top. This is another Chaps. This is just like a purple and white floral knit top. We got a Christmas, it's called Faux Real. It's just like a Christmas themed top. There's a Halloween themed one in here. Now this one may be from Walmart. Actually, I think, but we grabbed it anyway because it had the Halloween theme. And, you know, worst case, even with new tags, if it comps really bad, I'll either keep it if it fits me or give it away to Keith's sister if it doesn't. This is a purple ribbed 3/4 shirt by Fashion Book. Oops, sorry. And this is Style & Co. Just a nice, cute plaid pink, ties in the back. And then an AB Studio. This is a really nice blouse. It's kind of silky up top here, and it's got like this ribbed thicker sweater material on the bottom. It comes with a cute little belt. This would be good for someone who has to dress up for work. And that was all of the shirts, I believe. We got a couple of pairs. Now these are kids clothes, which I usually tend to stay away from too, but new with tags, I'm not gonna ever pass up new tags for 99 cents. I'm just not. unless it's clearly Nobo or Faded Glory or something. So even though these are boys, I picked them up. They're new at tags. What I'll do is take off this yellow and this orange one here. I'll peel those off if I can, and then put the MSRP. You see it? It's 30. So anyway, there's a tan pair and a green pair. Actually, this is more brown, I guess, because here's tan. See them together. So there's a tan, a brown, and a green, and I may even lot these up together. They're all the same size. They're all corduroys. They're just different colors. And last but not least, we found this Savane. They're just men's, like gray, not gray, they're green. I don't know what my problem is today. This is green, and they're large, you see them? So these are dress pants. They are a size 48 waist for men. So new with tags, 99 cents, a really big size. Wasn't gonna say no. So yeah, we pretty much, we had our cart pretty full when we rolled up there, and we were just gonna peek and see, because typically up in that area you don't find a lot of stuff that hits the 99 cent sale, and more often than not you don't find anything for 99 cents up there. You'll find the color of the day that's half off. But we go and we look, and sometimes we find one or two things. But we found like this entire one of the racks was all the pink tags. As you can see from everything we got, it was basically, if it had new tags and it was pink, we grabbed it and threw it in our carts. And then I tasked my youngest son with the task of finding booty shorts and short shorts, because these do really well for me. On Macari, the one thing I've ever sold was one of these. On eBay, these seem to fly off the shelves. So he went and found this many that's had the pink tags with 99 cents. Again, some of these brands aren't things you guys would pick up. But for us, because it's 99 cents and these all go first class, even this brand I'll do. They move quick. They're first class and they're 99 cents. So we do pick up a lot of the mall brands and stuff like that. So I'll just quickly run through these to show you guys. Those are khaki SO. He did find, with the pink tags, 4 pairs. I thought there were only 3. Awesome. Of the Sophie shorts, we have a dark blue, a light blue, a pink, and purple. So I may actually sell these as a lot, these Sophie shorts. American Eagle, these were cute. I wish I was skinny. Like, I couldn't even probably fit one of my legs in here. But these are adorable. I wish I was skinny so I could wear stuff like this. But moving on. Hollister, this I believe is a jean skirt, but it's just distressed. It's always a good thing. We got Wallflower. That's another little pink denim skirt. Little plaid. I can't even tell you. Nori? I've never heard of it, but they are cute. And sometimes it's not always about the brand. It's also about cuteness factor. Like, never really heard of that, but these are cute, right? They're plaid. Sometimes we'll get shirts that are brands that you normally wouldn't pick up if they have a cool graphic, because sometimes people buy for the look, not for the brand. Denim, Arizona jeans, they're pink. These were Justice jeans. Again, not an awesome brand, but for 99 cents. And they have all these cute stars and graphics on them to make them look like an American flag on the front. And then we have Xanady jeans, shorts, but they're distressed. They have holes and tears, which, you guys, I'm telling you, jean shorts that are ripped and have holes and stuff like that, they can sell for more money and they will sell faster. So for some reason people like their, not just shorts either, their jeans. Distressed, destroyed, ripped. It can always, you can always ask for a little bit more for that, and they move a little bit quicker for some reason. I have no idea what this is, but it's in my pile that I had made of what I wanted to put in the haul. It's J. Crew, and it's a sweater. So I don't see why I put this in the pile. Maybe it was an accident, because this is off season, and it is just J. Crew. But it was 99 cents. I thought it was cute. See what else I put in this pile that I won't remember now, right? Oh, yeah, we got, I only brought one of these to show you. Put one of them on the pile. We grabbed like 5 of these off that front part of the store that had the newer tags. They're just like tankinis. And they were from Kohl's, the Sonoma brand. I think they were all pink. I don't think there was any different colors. It was like a little row of pink, all in different sizes, but same brand, same style. I don't know if that was maybe like a donation from Kohl's or something. But we grabbed all of them too because they were new at tags. And, oh yeah, I did want to show these. So these genealogies. I've had a couple genealogies in the past, and I did kind of okay with them. I did pretty well. I wouldn't pick them up again, right? So they were pink, 99 cents. Can you see that genealogy? These ones are like brown colored jeans, but they have all this cool stuff on the pocket. And it runs down the whole length of the leg here. And I found a dark wash denim. Or is that black? That's, I swear to God they were dark wash denim in the store. Now under these lights they look black. But either way I would have got them. They were 99 cents. They are also genealogy. And they had some super cool stuff going down on the side here. It's full leather and it's studded with rhinestones. And it goes all the way down the leg. So I picked up both of them because they were 99 cents each. I thought that was nifty. This is a brand that I do good with in jeans, Rockin' Republic. So Keith picked up a couple of the nicer button-up of that brand that we found. This one has like the gray shoulder contrast to the plaid. I think I only put one in here to show you because I was going to remember to tell you, but we got 3 men's like button down Rockin' Republic shirts, and they were 99 cents each. I think I picked that one to show you because it was the nicest. I like that thing on the shoulder. Oh, I made a liar of myself because here's another one. I must have wanted to show this one too. This one's nice. It's real dark and it has the contrasted shoulders as well. And these are faux leather, pleather, whatever. So I know we got 3. The other one was kind of more plain. It was had a more of a Western look to it. So those are the 2 I must have wanted to show you because of the cool shoulders. This is what happens when you pile everything up a week ago that you want to show in a haul video, and then you have a really bad week and you're sick. By the time you get back around to the pile, you're like, what? Why did I want to show you all this? Like, these are Adidas capris. Like, I buy a lot of Adidas and Nike capris and running shorts, but I don't feel like they're necessarily something I would want to show off in a haul. But who knows what was going on in my mind when I made my pile here. There's 2 things left to show you guys. Have you ever seen this brand? Anybody? I have never seen Miley Cyrus before. I have sold Jessica Simpson and Jennifer Lopez and even Sarah Jessica Parker, but I've never seen the Miley Cyrus. They're like exercise pants or leggings, yoga, I don't know. They're shiny. They were 99 cents, so I'm going to try them. I don't know if her name holds any clout or is worth anything. I didn't bother comping it. You guys know that for 99 cents, Keith and I'll try anything once. We don't really comp. We learn by trial and error because our cost of goods is so low. So we have actually sold one of these before. It is a men's dress shirt, button down, long sleeve, white with blue stripes. Trying to see, yeah, right on the pocket. Look at that. Snoopy kicking a soccer ball. I don't remember what was on our other one. It was over a year ago. We found it one of our first trips to the bins. But I remember that it looked the same. It was blue and white striped, had long sleeves, button front, but it had a different embroidery on the pocket. That one went for a pretty good amount. So Keith saw this. It was the blue tag, which was half off. So we paid $2.50 for this, but because we know we've sold one before for like $20, that's a no-brainer to go ahead and pick that up at $2.50. So, what are these? I'm telling you guys, I made this pile a week ago and now I feel silly. Oh, just a couple of Brooks Brothers we got. We paid 99 cents for this one. It is a yellow and blue plaid polo. And this is also Brooks Brothers. This is the 346 Brooks Brothers. It was 99 cents. And it's just a blue with pink stripes. Men's button-up long sleeve shirt. Brooks Brothers, whether it's a polo or a button front for 99 cents, don't pass them up all day long. So let me know what you think about our clothing haul down below. Let me know what you've found recently that's exciting. And like, do you guys find a lot of new tags? I find new tags all the time. I find a lot of them, but I've never found like a great big stack like that in one store, all for 99 cents. Like, things like that usually don't last long enough to hit the sales. Like I said, usually when we go over to that area, we'll find one or two things, but they'll be half off. So we found all that 99 cent stuff. That was exciting. So let me know what you guys have been doing that's exciting, what you've been finding and sourcing. Do me a favor, smash the like button. I appreciate it. And if you haven't already and you would like to, subscribe to our channel and help us feed a hungry hippo. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. We are at Flippin' Hippos. Until next time, you guys have a good night.